had Adobe software acting up, failed installations, weird errors, or leftover files clogging up your system? Before you smash your keyboard in frustration, let me show you a powerful tool that can fix it all in just a few clicks. Meet the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. If you have ever struggled with uninstalling or repairing Adobe programs, this is your quick and effective solution. What is Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool? This is a tool that is designed to remove problematic Adobe files, fix installation errors, and clean up remnants left behind after uninstalls. It's great for troubleshooting software issues. Here is a common issue that can be fixed by using Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. Number one is failed or incomplete Adobe installations. Number two is corrupted files causing software crashes. Number three is residual Adobe files preventing new installs. Basically, if your Adobe software is misbehaving, this tool can wipe the slate clean and help reinstall fresh. Before we start using the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, here are the best precautions that you must know before you use the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. Number one is always you have to back up the important files before using the tool. Number two, you have to double check the program you are removing to avoid deleting something useful. And number three, you have to restart the system. You have to restart your machine soon after cleanup to ensure the changes take effect. Trust me, this small tool can save you hours of frustration. Let's go and dive into step by step on how to use the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. And step number one, you have to download the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. So I'll put the link in the description below. If you don't have it in your machine, you can just click the link in the description and you will directly download the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool for free and you'll have it in your machine. So you have to run the tool as administrator to ensure full access. Let's go and see. This is Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. So I'm going to run it just by double clicking it like that one. You have these options to choose language. So you're going to choose the language by selecting the letter behind the language. For instance, if you want to choose English, then you are going to select this A for English. And if you want to use Japanese, you're going to select J. And how you select it, you're just writing here. You write it over here. So for instance, here I'm going to use English, so I write here A like that one, and I click enter to go the next step. After this stage, we are provided the license agreement. You can read this license agreement, but here at the end you can see they have written please enter Y for yes or N for no if you accept this agreement. So from here you can select Y for yes, they have written here. So I select Y here for yes and I click enter. From there, you can see they have given you the option now to choose. Choose from one of the following options to clean up. So here now you have to be careful. You have to double check now the program that you want to clean up or the program that you want to fix. For instance, you can choose maybe you want to clean all. If you want to clean all Adobe Creative Cloud apps in your program, you just select one and you go next step. And if you want to clean only Adobe Flash Player, you just select number two. CC app, Creative Cloud apps, Creative Cloud and their products, you can select three. Creative Cloud apps, you can select four, and all these options. For instance, if I want to remove only Creative Cloud, then I select number 6, and this has been a problem for many Creative Cloud app users. They always fail to remove Adobe Creative Cloud and retain the other apps. And if this is your case, then I have a video. I'll link it at the end of this video. You can see how I've removed Adobe Creative Cloud only and retain the other apps. And if you want to remove the rest of the apps here, you just select and click enter. For here, I'm going to select the four, like I want to clean the Creative Cloud apps, and let us see what will go on after there. So I'm going to select it number 4 and I click enter. From here now you can see they have brought the list of all Creative Cloud apps that I have inside my machine. List of products installed in this machine, those that are related to Creative Cloud. You can see I have Premiere Pro, After Effects, and those all other here, Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Creative Cloud libraries, and everything. So from here now, you can select the specific, maybe the specific product that you want to clean inside this machine, or if you want to clean all, then you select 14 and clean all. You can just select it, and here you can see please enter the option number of the product you wish to remove. Enter Q to quit. So I don't want to remove anything here because everything here works well. I just select Q to quit, but if you want to clean something, it's easy. Just select the number, and that's all. It's going to clean up. Just follow the step. I'm going to select Q to quit the program, just like this, and you can see that Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool completely successful because it has just quitted. And if you have selected something, it will just write the same, but it has already cleaned up your product. From here, after finishing your cleanup, you have to restart your machine so as to make sure that the changes have taken place. So next time Adobe acts up, don't panic. Just use the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool for fresh start. Good questions, drop them in the comment below, and if it helped, like, subscribe for more tech fixes. Don't forget to download the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. Visit the link in description, and let's go.